Hi children, in this class we are going to learn the first poem Malala written by Ron Mendrick. This poem is about Malala Yousafzai, a young activist from Pakistan. From an early age, Malala has championed the cause of education for children in her home country. She won the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize at the young age of 17. Malala is a Pakistani girl who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 at the young age of 17. She received the award with Kailash Satyarthi. She supported the cause of education for children in Pakistan. She spoke openly about for the right to education for children. On 9th October 2012, she was shot at while returning from the school. She became the target of the fury of groups that are against the education for women. She survived that attack and now she is more determined for work to do cause of girls' education. Before going to the explanation of the poem, concentrate on the difficult words. Darkness, state of being dark. She fumbled around in the darkness. Forbidden, not to allow something. Visitors are forbidden from feeding animals in the zoo. Spark, flash of light. A tiny spark of wisdom made him escape from the kidnappers. Radiance, light, shine. She seemed to shine with an inner radiance. Thrive, develop well, bloom. Children thrive on fresh air and good food. Where there is darkness, light is forbidden. The brightest of sparks have to be hidden. Yet radiance shines through and goodness will thrive. Courage and kindness will always survive. Where there is darkness, light is forbidden. The brightest of sparks have to be hidden. In the first two lines of the poem mean that where there is no education, there is no appreciation for people who want to learn and enlighten others. Such people who want to bring about a change have to subdue their voices of fear of opposition and persecution. Yet radiance shines through and goodness will thrive. Courage and kindness will always survive. Means people, they fight. They stand for right to education, brightness of knowledge and freedom grow goodness, courage and kindness. And it's boost people to live respectfully and to fight for the right to education. O, to make a determined decision. She ought never to trust him again. Consternation, a feeling of worry, shock or confusion. The announcement created surprise and consternation. Malala Yousafzai, a girl with a heart, ought to be true, to make a new start. She demanded to know in consternation how dare they take away my education. Malala Yousafzai, a girl with a heart, ought to be true to make a new start. Malala Yousafzai is a brave girl. A girl with a heart means a brave girl full of courage and determined to fight against oppression. She took a serious promise to fight to make a new start. She demanded to know in consternation, how dare they take away my education. To pay a new path of knowledge, she asked and inquired, being worried. She was confused and shocked that how can they take away her right to get education, or how can they stop her to go to school? How can she be deprived of right to education? So she was very confused that how can people stop her to get education. Conquer, to take control of country or city. We have conquered the enemy. Blogged on. A blog is a web page which one regularly records one's thoughts. Malala blogged on to express her thoughts and fight for her choice. Quietened, to make somebody quiet. Her words quietened the noisy class. Battle cry, war cry. The battle cry could be heard everywhere. Yearn, hunger. He just yearned for a happy and peaceful life. Darkness came swiftly to shoot down her dreams. Right in her school bus, she conquered their screams. Bravely, she blogged on to fight for her choice. The world quietened down to hear her sweet voice. Darkness came swiftly to shoot down her dreams. Courage, right in her school bus, she conquered their screams. When she started asking questions, she was attacked by terrorists. Children, these two lines are describe the incident. When she was in her school bus, she was shot in her head by terrorists. They were defeated to get control over her dreams and to take away her desires to get education. Bravely, she blogged on to fight for her choice. The world quietened down to hear her sweet voice. She survived the brutal attack and she started as an activist. And she blogged. Children, blog is to write using web to share your opinion or thought with the people all around the world. So Malala, she decided to fight for her choice and exclusively for the right for the girls' education. And the world and the people all around the globe listened to her carefully. And as she was on the path of equality, freedom, justice and knowledge. I am Malala is our battle cry for children who yearn to reach for the sky. I am Malala, it becomes battle cry, means war cry or rallying cry. It becomes war cry for children, deprived children, for who to reach for the sky, who have the strong desire to reach for the sky, to fulfill their dreams by getting education. Children, I hope all of you understood the poem on Malala. I suggest all the students to collect more information on Malala by browsing through the net. One of the greatest personalities and the Nobel Peace Prize awardee at the age of 17 has a great story which is put in front of you from a small story by Ron Mendrick. Thank you.